What is Lean Six Sigma methodology? Six Sigma principles provide a framework to improve the quality of a process or product. Lean Six Sigma is a technique that combines the methods of Lean and Six Sigma to eliminate the 8 kinds of waste in order to improve performance. The purpose of Lean Six Sigma is to improve the quality and the efficiency of the process considering customers' requirements. Although both Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma principles focus on improving customer satisfaction, there are some differences between their methodologies. What is Lean? Lean is a problem-solving tool of eliminating wastes and removing wasteful activities that don't add value to the process. Only the activities which add value to the process can be considered. Activities can be categorized by their values in the process. Lean focuses on maximizing customer value by using fewer resources. Key terms. Value is something that a customer is willing to pay. Non-value-added activities do not add any value to the process. Value-added activities add value to the process. Value-enabling activities are activities that do not add value directly to a process, they must be performed to allow value-adding activities later on. What are the 8 kinds of wastes? Waste can be anything except the materials and resources that can add value to an activity. Lean Six Sigma seeks to eliminate 8 kinds of wastes. 7 of the wastes are directly related to production, and the waste, non-utilized talent, is related to employees' capabilities. By the help of Lean tools, the 8 kinds of wastes which are below can be eliminated. Downtime is the acronym for the 8 kinds of wastes. The 8 kinds of wastes. Defects. Overproduction. Waiting. Non-utilized talent can be done by someone else more efficiently. Transportation. Inventory. Motion. Extra processing. The initial step of Lean Six Sigma is to remove the waste in a process by using Lean methods. After this, the Six Sigma tools are used to improve the process. Benefits of Lean Six Sigma methodology. Determines the non-value-added activities or processes. Eliminates wastes. Determines the defects and problems that cost organization. Use the organizational resources effectively. Increase customer satisfaction. Reduce operational costs. Improve decision-making. Improve productivity. Increase efficiency. Increase organization's profit. Improve collaboration and employees' involvement in the process. Increase revenues by increasing production. Difference between Lean Six Sigma and Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma is not only used for quality improvement but also for creating a continuous improvement system. Lean Six Sigma focuses on the bias for action, but Six Sigma methodology focuses on the bias for statistical analysis. Lean is a continuous and ongoing approach and changes as the technology and the other factors change. On the other hand, Six Sigma methodology is a project-based or customer-based approach. Lean Six Sigma uses methods to eliminate wastes, but Six Sigma methodology does not use Lean methods. Six Sigma is based on reducing process variation. On the other hand, Lean Six Sigma is based on eliminating wastes.